Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, we have to set up place. To do it, you have to click on here. Then you have to select instance from here. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type 3.5. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type 2. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the base, you have to select the shape tool from here. Then you have to select the rounded rectangle tool from here. Then you have to draw this shape in here. Then you have to select this shape. Then you have to increase the pixels from here. Then you have to rotate this. Then drag this in here. After you have to select this shape. Then press and hold out key. Then take over from this. Then double click on here. Then select the blue color. Then click on the OK. Then press and hold out key. Then take OK again. Then double click on here. Then select the green color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to press and hold the shift key, then select these layers, then drag these layers under these layers. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. After that, you have to select the shape tool again, then you have to draw this shape in here. Then select this shape, then click on here, then select this color, then select the move tool. Then increase the pixels from here. Then select this, then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark, then press and hold out key, then take over from this, then click on the layer, then double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then select the shape tool again, then draw this shape in here. Then click on here, then select this color, then select this, then you have to drag this in here. Select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then you have to press and hold out key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here and draw a curve again, then press and hold out key, then click on the anchor point again, then click on here and draw a curve again, then press and hold out key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here. Curve, then press and hold out key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again, then press and hold out key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, 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 and here. Then select the move tool from here, and you have to go to the layer panel, then double click on here, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then click on the anchor point, then right click on this, then click on the wrap. Select this, then click on the anchor point, then right click on this, then click on the wrap. After that, you have to select this layer format, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the guide in the overlay, then click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK, then you have to select this, then click on the color, then you have to select the red color from here, then click on the OK, then select this, then click on the color, then you have to select this color from here. Click on the OK. Then click on the drop shadow. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the guide in the overlay. Then you have to click on the OK again. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the guide in the overlay. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the outer glow. Select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy hairstyle, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the place layer style, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the place layer style, then select this, then right click on this layer, then you have to click on the place layer style. Select this, then you have to double click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK, then select this, then you have to right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, Then you have to click on the drop shadow and click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then you have to select these, then click on the color, then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then click on the color, then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the reverse. Then click on the OK. After that, you have to include the icons and write a text in here. I am already writing the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After paste the text, you have to set this text in here. After that, you have to open your logo and write this text in here. Then you have to select the shape tool from here. Then draw this shape in here. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to click on the backspace. Then back to the project. Then you have to unlock all layers from here. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then drag these layers in here. Then set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.